This is my review of this Grey Who tabletop fountain. I have installed it here. All these little glass pieces come separately, and so you have the option of placing them on your fountain. I elected not to put it on the top one because it was splattering a bit and not falling so nicely. The other thing I wanted to point out is these little flower buds here are not completely the red color that they appear to be in the picture. So they're, it's sort of an ombre. It sort of has a hint of red, but it kind of fades into the gold here. So we'll turn it on and check it out. I like the way it kind of starts to cascade when you first turn it on. As you can hear, it runs very quietly. There's just a soft hum of the motor and just a slight trickle. It's very nice. It was also easy to put together. The pump just sits under this in the base. There's also an LED light that you have to push through the bottom as well. And I did find that a little bit hard, but I just kept even pressure on it and it came through. And again, I think overall it's a very nice fountain with a very beautiful appearance.